สมัยจัดการตัวไหน
มันก็
เราจะมาเรียนตัวปี member บอดมาบอดประโยชน์ให้มาในประโยชน์น้อยจังน้อยคือ class string จัง class string นี้ได้ยังปรางในที่นี้ได้หาท่า virtual base class ได้หาท่า virtual inheritance จังเอาไว้เลยยังเราเลยสำคัญของข้อคือ virtual inheritance ตา virtual inheritance ยังปรางไว้ในใบไอแต่ยังปรางไว้ในใบชีวิตในปัญหา diamond problem แต่ไว้ได้ที่ diamond problem diamond problem คือជាបញ្ហានៅពេលដែលខ្លះមួយស្នងពីខ្លះពីរហើយខ្លះពីរនោះស្នងពីខ្លះមួយដូចគ្នាដើម្បីជៀសវាងកុំឲ្យមានភាពស្មុគស្មាញនឹង ambiguity មួយទៀតvirtual inheritance នេះប្រើដើម្បីឲ្យបញ្ជាក់ថា class restaurant គឺមាន instance តែមួយនៅក្នុង dinner បើកាលណាយើងអត់ដាក់ virtual inheritance ទេអញ្ចឹងវាមាន instance ពីរនៅក្នុង dinner អញ្ចឹងកូដវាអត់ដំណើរការទេអញ្ចឹងប្រើវាកុំឲ្យវាច្រឡំដដែលនឹងស្ទួយគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងដើម្បីបញ្ជាក់ប្រើ class restaurant ឬក៏ visual ហ្នឹងឲ្យមាន extend តែមួយក្នុង dinner គឺយើងត្រូវប្រើវានៅក្នុង class បន្ទាប់ពី